Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the checkerboard pattern from the 2x2 all the way to the 7x7. Let's get started. I'm going to be starting with the all layer cubes first, because the way you do the checkerboard pattern on an all layer cube like the 3x3 is going to be different to how you do it on an even layer cube like the 6x6. The first cube I'm going to start with is this 3x3, and to do the checkerboard pattern on this, what you're going to want to do is bring this right layer down and then bring both of these layers back up, so the middle layer and the right layer, so back up like this. And see, what you've done is an M2, and what you're going to do is just do that like to all sides. So turn it, and now do the same thing again, right side down, both layers up. And as you can see here, you've already finished the checkerboard pattern on the white and yellow side. So now turn it this way, and then do the same thing. Bring the right layer down, and then both layers back up. And there you go, you have the checkerboard pattern. For the 5x5, it's going to be pretty much the same thing, except there's more layers, so you're just going to have to do the same thing that you did on the 3x3, but more times. So bring the right side down, and now bring both of these layers up like this, and now just do that again. So bring 3 layers down like this, and now bring 4 layers back up. So it's the same pattern, but as the cubes get bigger, you're just doing it more. So turn it to the right or left again, and then do the exact same thing. So bring this right side down, and then bring both layers up, bring 3 layers down, and then bring 4 layers up. And now turn it this way and do the same thing. And there you go. For the 7x7, it's going to be the exact same thing, except this time there's just going to be 2 more layers. And do the same thing that you did for the 5x5 and 3x3. So bring this side down, this side up, 3 layers down, 4 layers up, now 5 layers down, and 6 layers up. And now turn to the right. And once you get good at that, you can do it really fast. So you can just do this. And now turn it over like this, and then do that one more time. And there you go. The way you do the checkerboard pattern for even layer cubes, it's going to be slightly different to how you do it on the odd layer cubes. For example, on the 2x2, when you do the checkerboard pattern, you're going to have 2 sides that aren't in the checkerboard pattern. So let's just start with the 2x2. So whatever sides that you don't want to be in the checkerboard pattern, just face them up and to the bottom, and each 2 colors must be opposite. So if you want green and blue to not be in a checkerboard pattern, just face them down and up like this. And I'm gonna have white on top and yellow on the bottom, so when I finish it, both of these are just gonna be solid. So what you're gonna do is bring this right side down. Now do an F2, or move the front side 180 degrees. Move the right side back up, and then move the top side 180 degrees, or do U2. And there you go. For the 4x4, it's going to be pretty similar, but a little bit different. So what you're going to want to do is just do what you did for odd layer cubes. So bring the side down, 2 layers up, bring the side down, and do that all the way around like this. Now, instead of turning like this and doing the same thing, you're going to want to turn to the right another time like this, and do the same thing one more time. And now turn the cube to the side like this, and then do it. And there you go. You can stop there, but if you want to do the checkerboard pattern on the top and bottom too, what you can do is bring the right side down, move the front side 180 degrees, and move this up. And now just rotate around the cube 3 more times and do the exact same thing. So rotate this side down, F2, up, rotate again, and there we go. On the 6x6, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing again. So bring this down, up, just do this pattern. Rotate, do the same thing. And now because it's an even layer cube, rotate again. Now turn to the side and do the same thing. And now do the same thing you did with the 4x4. So that, and there we go. Alright, that's how you do the checkerboard pattern from the 2x2 all the way to 7x7. Thanks for watching. See ya.